Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things related to investing. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: how to find undervalued stocks. If you're interested in maximizing your investment potential, stay tuned because we have some valuable tips and strategies to share with you. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly define what an undervalued stock is. An undervalued stock is one whose price is lower than its intrinsic value, meaning it has the potential for significant growth in the future. Finding such stocks requires thorough research and analysis. So let's get started. Step 1. Start by examining the company's financial statements. Look for indicators such as low price to earnings PE ratio, low price to book PEB, BU, or high dividend yield. These numbers can give you an initial sense of whether the stock is undervalued or not. Step 2. Dig deeper into the company's fundamentals. Analyze its revenue growth, earnings stability, and competitive advantage. Look for any recent news or events that might have affected the stock price. By doing this, you can determine if the current price accurately reflects the company's true worth. Step 3. Utilize stock screeners. These online tools allow you to filter stocks based on specific criteria such as market capitalization, P ratio, and dividend yield. By using these filters, you can narrow down your search and focus on potentially undervalued stocks. Step 4. Read annual reports and company filings. These documents provide crucial information about a company's financial health, management team, and future prospects. Pay attention to any red flags or hidden gems that might sway your decision. Step 5. Seek advice from financial experts or professionals. Their experience and insights can help you uncover undervalued stocks that might be flying under the radar. Attend conferences, webinars, or even consider hiring a financial advisor to guide you through the process. Remember, finding undervalued stocks requires patience and thorough research. It's not a foolproof strategy, but it can increase your chances of finding hidden opportunities in the market. That wraps up today's video on how to find undervalued stocks. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more investing content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy investing.